BABYDOG USDT Overview. Trading Style, Spot, Timeframe, Mid-Term, Margin Mode, Isolated. Signal Type, Swing Trade. Target Timeframe, about a month between take profits. To see the entry levels, take profit targets and stop loss, refer to the description of the caption. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines. Trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. This helps protect profits and limit losses if the market trend changes. Enter after a pullback for optimal results. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.